Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. All right, let's get started. This is the Latitude 3190 2-in-1, and the first step is to remove the base cover. First, we're going to loosen the 7 M2.5 by 7 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver with a number 0 tip. Since these are captive screws, we don't need to remove them from the base cover. Captive screws are designed with a space or relief between the screw head and the beginning of the threads. When the screw is loosened from the frame, this relief is captured and held in place by the holes in the cover. Next, we need to pry the base cover from the recesses at the top edges and continue throughout the system. Okay, coming to the hinge number 2. And we're just going to run it along the edge. Keep going gently. So now, as you can see, the captive screws are not falling out. To remove the battery, disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. There's a piece of tape on the battery cable, so I'm going to remove that first. So I'm going to put my fingernails on either side of this connector very gently, and I'm going to pull straight back. And it pops right out. Remove the 3 M2x3 screws that secure the battery to the computer. These M2x3 screws appear to have been stripped. The screw heads are deformed, probably from someone using the wrong size screwdriver. The preferred screwdriver tip is a size 0. I switched to a size 1 and it gave me more leverage to loosen them. Peel off the adhesive tape that secures the battery to the system. Slightly hold the tape and lift the battery to release it from the adhesive beneath it. There we go. Be sure and follow all manufacturer guidelines and warnings when handling laptop batteries. There is a link in the description to the owner's manual. Hi, JP here with Swing Computers. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something, give us a like if you did. This laptop salvage series will cover several different laptop models, so be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell notification to receive an alert when we post our next video, where we will remove the keyboard lattice and keyboard, the solid-state drive, and the power switchboard. Until then, don't forget to rescue, reuse, and refurbish.